Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 1st January 2018. How are you guys? What are you doing? How's your day beginning? So what I believe, I thought, market though we discuss it almost every day. Let's talk about life today. Let's look into, the year that has passed by, and let's look into what's lying ahead. you know it is my rule to definitely look back and see how was my year, and also resolve what I did, what I felt wasn't good in the last year, not to repeat, and make a firm resolve to be able to, move in the right direction from there. So, I mean, I want to discuss with you all what kind of resolutions I have made year after year. So, I remember about 15, 16 years back, or maybe 20 years, 15 years back, I was working almost like 15 hours a day, 14 to 15 hours a day. And I wouldn't get any time to be able to spend with my family or to be, to do something that I want to do. So there, year after year, I remember for good about 6, 7, 8 years, my resolve was to be able to really have, time for myself and for my family. This is what my resolve was. My day used to begin, like there was always a chase of money. I was always chasing money, running after it, doing various projects, various classes, or various things to improve my finances. And then, of course, year after year, I would, and one of the option that I had was stock market also. So there also I was losing almost on a daily basis. And my resolve every year would remain that this year I'm not going to lose money. I'm not going to be listening to anybody. I'm not going to be taking any tip. And I'm not going to be, emotional in the market. These used to be my, uh, you know, uh, personal decision, the resolutions year after year. So anyway, what I'm trying to tell you here is that what you resolve, you know, have a lot of, it plays a lot in your what kind of in your mind, what kind of actions you will take. So anything that you want to do in life, it doesn't begin when you just start doing it. First and foremost, a mindset has to develop, a thought process has to happen, a you know beginning has to happen, like somewhere you need to think that you need to change that. People believe that they can manage everything, and people believe that they can do everything, whereas the things, even if things are going right, they have a way to tell their brain that they will be able to do it fine, right? So what I want to tell you here, when you will think, your thought process will convert into your actions, and your actions will convert finally into your deeds, and that is how you will manifest your resolve. So the first day should not just pass by in daydreaming or believing that something will happen. It should be very concrete, a day of making concrete resolutions. So with this I want to say that please, be the people who are resolute, who have made a resolve coated with steel. Now I personally resolve, even although market is changing any day, any moment it can change. But what I believe, we should have, I always reinforce, my resolve that I'm not going to lose money. One, no matter what, I will not be emotional. Two and three, I will not take a tip from anybody. And fourth, I'm going to learn. I will continuously learn, right? That is what my personal resolve remains, because market is huge. It doesn't have a bottom. It doesn't have a bottom. Like, you can't say, okay, I've learned enough about market, I don't want to do anything more. No, you continuously keep you have to keep, refreshing your skills and keep going on from there. So now, why am I saying so? Because many people I talk almost every day, I'm talking to 15, 20 people, and 30 people sometimes. Now, though I'm not in India, but when I'm in India, I almost talk to people for good about, every day, at least 30, 40 people, some on WhatsApp, some on email, some on, various other ways through YouTube. I keep talking to people. So minimum people have lost 40 to 50, 10 lakh, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. These are usual numbers. I'm not talking about people who are super rich. I'm talking about people who are really working very, very hard to support their families. They have lost that kind of money. So what I'm saying here, why do you have to do that? When you are losing money, you don't care about lakhs. When it comes to learning, you have so much of pain about 30,000 rupees. So here we say that whatever you will invest, we will get it back to you. We will ensure that you have that money back. Today this is my second time I'm recording my video. My first laptop didn't work. The second one I'm making the video. The first one I was have shown you the Telegram channel, how people have earned in one day their profit was 50,000 rupees, right? So you can also win those amounts of money, right? So let me talk about Nifty. This is Nifty, right? This is Nifty's 15 minutes graph. And now see what's happening. I want to show you here that all the moving averages have come very, very close, right? Moving averages are coming very, very close. So there is any possibility that can happen. Either the market may fall or the market may go up from here. Let me take you to the option chain of Nifty and let's see what is happening there. Maybe that'll give us a bit of insight. So let's see what's happening in Nifty and see here is the Nifty option chain. So what's happening here? There's a huge put writing at this point, which is 10,500, 4,23,000 that has taken place today, right? That is kind of sealing the Nifty's bottom. And this is the call writing, which is much lesser with respect to the put writing. So a bit of idea that I get from here is that Nifty is basically not ready to go below 10,500, right? Another thing that I can do is I will put the pivot point and see what's happening in pivot points. So let's see what's happening on the pivot point. So if you see from here, Nifty had a huge support in the form of S1 and this 200 moving average, and almost it took a support and it's bouncing back. So what is the scenario that I have in my mind is, let me just draw it for you and to show you what is this happening. So see here, okay, so I'm not being able to take pen, but let's see here, it goes like this. It goes this, see, this is the 50 moving average, and this is 10 moving average. If it takes a support and goes like that, then Nifty at least have 100 more points in store, right? Not less than that. Nifty also has 100 more points from this point, which is 10,600 are gone nowhere, right? So from here, if this green moving average, which is 10 moving average, takes a support on 50 moving average, then at least 100 points are gone nowhere, right? But if you ask me, Nifty, I mean, not only Nifty, the entire market looks very, very positive to me. So some of the stocks that I would like to talk about are JVL Agro. As I told you, you remember a couple of days back, I think Thursday or something like that, I talked to you that it is on this day. I talked about it on 26th of January, 26th or 27th, 27th or something like that, right? 24, it was about 24 and a half. And from here, it has gone up good about 20% movement the stock has given. Then Hisar Metal is also been doing good. And I mean, to me, it looks positive. We have given Deepak fertilizer to you on Friday. Look at it. That's also up. That's also up. And it is further heading up. Then, let me take you to other stocks that I have given. Even all of them are doing very, very good. Like BF Utility. We gave it somewhere here. We gave it at 472, and it is at 510. So good about 30, 10, 40, 40 points up, which is about roughly about 9.5% return, right? Then let's see a few more stocks that I have spoken about. I told SPIC on SPIC on Friday, right? Many people have bought it at 48 rupees. They have bought 2000 shares and somebody has bought 1000 shares. Each of them is in good profit right now. I did talk about Vent. We have not given this stock, but I have identified when it was here. When these dojis were formed, it's about 24,400. And right now, where is it? 3,700 also it has touched. 3,800 also it has touched today, right? Good about 50-55% profit in 3 days. These are the stocks that we figure out. These are the stocks that we talk about, and that is what I teach you in my webinar. And I would like you to join my Telegram channel. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will first thing that you see on my YouTube channel is go to its description box, and you will see the uh, everything that you want to know about my channel you will find there, right? Let me show you here. So if this is my Telegram channel, right? This is my Telegram channel, right? Stock recommendation accuracy, stock pro. It is http t.me stock pro, right? And you have my website here, you have my Telegram channel here, you have my Facebook, Twitter account, email, and you have a phone number. You can call up on this phone number. Landline for a day or two, office is closed. Call up only after 2 or 3 days. But this phone number you can call anytime and talk about enrolling yourself, right? So you have various ways to reach to me. Don't fall in a trap where you are, like somebody um, is cheating with you. You have to be aware. It has to be stock pro. You call me up, you talk to my team, you talk to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is also somewhere here. This is where you can WhatsApp it to me, right? So always, in all possible ways, you can reach me. Those who want to learn in English, we are starting on 6th of this January, which is today's first. 6th we are starting, and there are limited seats. Please join quickly. Please join fast because we will have our first class on Saturday. Okay. Now see here, it is eclux is doing good. Then you look into Goa Carbon, that's doing good. We told Flips Carbon, that's also is doing good. Any single trade that you talk about, it is doing good. VIP clothing, wherever we have given, it's given at least 30% return from that point. So, oh, even did you see this Bombay dyeing? Bombay Dyeing gave it at 220. It is at 271 in only a few trading sessions. Not more than one. This is on which date? 11th of December. Not even 15 trading session. It has gone up by 70 points, which is roughly about 30% 30% return, or slightly more than, or roughly about 30% return, right? So these are the stocks that we have filtered out, like every single stock. Why do you want to look at Sri Pushpak today? I did talk about it yesterday. Did I know that it's going to run so much today? No. But our technical setup, but our team, and we have a way to filter out. We know, I mean, look, we actually, I'm going to teach you by looking at the present, how do you predict future? That is what I will be teaching you, right? And guys, get ready, because if you don't take any resolution now, you will never be able to take it. So I am waiting for you all. I'm waiting for every single person out there who want to learn in the market. Believe me, 30,000 is nothing when you learn something for your life. It's nothing. And that is also we're giving you options. Every kind of option that you're looking at. You want to pay by credit card, you want to pay by installments, or you want to, and earn it back in within a month, month and a half. If you have good 1 lakh capital or 1.5 lakh capital, you will be able to just earn it back in 1 month, 1.5 month. No other person, no other mentor will give you this kind of facility, right? And we are upgrading our techniques in intraday. We have beautiful setup. One of my member has done today this trade in our power, right? Like this is in the sense our team only has done, Prabhu only has done this trade. Our power from here to here, this is the run up that he has got, right? And made good 30,000 rupees from investing 20,000 rupees. How do you get such a beautiful trading setup? How could we find this trade? That is what we will be teaching you. How do you filter out from billions of, thousands of stocks, that this is the one which is going to move? This is what we will teach you, right? So get ready, and we are waiting for you to give you our best. Also, whatever I know, you will also know, right? There's nothing that you will not be knowing. So Nifty as of now to me looks little range bound only. I will only take anything, from Nifty when a clarity comes in. Now, all the moving averages are very, very close. So if you need to do anything, do it on stock basis and day on day basis, right? Don't really create your long positions for a longer duration or short positions for the longer duration. Whatever you have to do, wind it up. Wind it up by the end of the day. Don't carry it forward, because you never know which direction Nifty may move. Because now I can see Nifty is all the three moving averages, 10 moving average, 50 moving average, 200 moving average, all of them are together, right? So try to not, be very vigilant. That's what I would like to say, right? So, guys, I am really, really once again saying thank you all for being there with me, trusting me. Because you trust me, because you watch my videos, I feel motivated and I feel like doing something new for you. Every day I search and I research. It doesn't matter to me what is happening in the rest of my life, but one constant that I have is the YouTube, right? My members, their happiness, their trades, and my resolution that I will save every single person, right? That nobody can remove. So all these stocks, the winning stocks, like you don't need to do FNO. If you get good 5, 6, 7% profit or 10% profit every day, why would you like to do FNO? Right? Because even if it is 1 lakh rupees and you get 5% return, it's 5,000 rupees. And in 20 days, it becomes double. And imagine if you double every month your money, what will be, where will you be? That calculation you can write me on the YouTube and tell me. But you have to do very, very disciplined trading, and you have to learn about the market. You will be able to see huge profits coming on your way, right? So, guys, I'm looking for you. I'm starting 6th of January, my English webinar, 21st January, my Hindi webinar, and get ready. Whatever you want to do, and about the market, you must learn about it. Look at the Goa carbon setup also. It looks very, very good to me. It looks very good to me. Almost it's heading up now. It's heading up. The first target I told you is 950. First target is 900, 950, and 1000. These are your targets. Just hold them on with tight stop losses. There could be a bit of correction may come in Nifty. I'm not sure right now because the moving averages are not giving me much indication. But I'm expecting, because Nifty has been running for quite some time, there may be some kind of profit booking that may come in. All right. So before I wind up, quickly see what's happening. Let me see the dynamics of the um, Nifty options and see what's happening in them. How are they changing? So this has reduced, and what is about this has also kind of reduced, right? So, see, Nifty may not have a very, very decisive movement right now, but it's not weak. I can't say that 100 points Nifty will go down. I can't say that, right? I would rather say that if Nifty takes a good support on these moving averages, it may head up, right? It may go another 100 points up from here, wherever we are. 10,600 is in sight, but maybe tomorrow or the day after, we can expect that. All right. So, good day, guys. Enjoy, celebrate with your family the new year, and as a celebration of your with your family, you have to resolve for their well-being that you don't lose money in the market. Your hard-earned money, your family should be able to enjoy. You should be able to enjoy, not feeling sad at all that once again I have lost in the market. No, that resolve you have to make right now, right here, today with me. I'm not going to lose money in the market. I'm not going to take the tip. I will be responsible for my money and I will learn. How I will learn, I'm not saying that, but learn about the market. Until you understand market, do not enter into it. Right? Please make these resolves and see how your life moves. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow. See you all. Bye.